Hi, my name is Michael.
I'm Micah.
This is part 2 in a series of help videos related to general computer problems you as students, staff, and parents may have.
Note that you should not perform any maintenance on school or district computers. These tips are for personal devices only.
Let's get started.
Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, we're just going to be going over a easy way to clear any unwanted files you may have on your computer. If you find your computer is slow or you're losing storage and you don't know where it's coming from, it may be the result of some temporary files or anything like that if you're familiar. So we're just going to be downloading Ccleaner in this video. So if you want to open up your search engine or your browser, I'm using Chrome, and then in your search bar, type in Ccleaner. So this is a software we're going to be using. I already have it pre-typed because I searched it before we began filming. But if you just want to click on that, it'll take you to the first one that shows up for me is just the download Ccleaner one. Their ad may show up. Don't click on that. Just go to this link if you can't find it here. So you want to click on that page. It'll bring you to this table. Just accept the cookies. Don't worry about it. You can delete those after. It's actually going to delete them for you anyways. If you go under this free tab here and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see the free download. So the one caveat about Ccleaner is that it only works on Windows PCs, but given that most people are Windows, and if you're using a computer for school, you are probably on Windows, as that's what the district provides. So I'm just going to click on the free download here, and I will cut to when the download finishes. Alright, so it just finished downloading. I'm going to take it out of my downloads folder here. It'll just say CC Setup 590 or whatever the latest version is. So you want to click on that executable file. It'll ask you to make some changes to your device. It's just asking for permission. Just click OK. So it's going to do the setup. It should bring us to the installing page here in a minute. And you don't have to do custom install or anything like that. Just the basic install is fine. This is really just going to be a lot of left clicking here. All right. Yep. And it's just fully installed. Now you just want to click Run Ccleaner and that'll boot it for you immediately. I believe it also puts it on your desktop. If it asks for you to use a browser, just click whatever browser you prefer and just always use this app. It's not a big deal. It's just open up some documentation, but you don't need to worry about that. So Ccleaner is now installed on the device. You just want to click Continue, and then it'll bring you to this. Well, it'll throw some ads at you first. It'll bring you to this Ccleaner free page. You just want to press Start Ccleaner. It just talks about boasting about how good it is. Start Ccleaner. And it'll bring you to this page. So this is just a page that'll talk about the health of your PC. You don't really have to worry about anything else if your only goal is to be downloading stuff. So we'll just click Start on here. So what it's going to do, it's going to ask you to close any browsers that you may have open. Just click Close and Analyze. You don't have to worry about that. Just make sure that you don't have a Google Doc or anything open like that. So it's going to close the applications and it's going to begin downloading. Now this might take a moment, so I'm going to cut again to when it's finished, but just let it do its thing and leave your computer for a moment. All right, so you can see it finished analyzing my PC. You see it says your PC feels a bit under the weather. Now if you don't care about the specifics, you just want to go ahead and press Make It Better. So this is going to run the software and it's going to clean up your PC. Now if you have a lot of files, this may take 5 or 10 minutes, but you can see here, this computer is pretty much completely empty, so it does it right away. Now, if that's all you wanted, you're good to go. I just want to show you here. This is what it's looking for. We remove records of your online interactions and your privacy is improved. So since I didn't have any history or any temporary internet files, which you definitely do, it would also remove those. But the cookies are what we mentioned earlier. When you go into a website, it's going to be tracking, if you allow it, your username and your password. So it knows what you like and what it can show you when you return to the website. Same with space. Space is pretty obvious. Any recycling bin items or any temporary system files or any temporary applications that you don't need and are just being stored on the system, those are completely gone. There are other options with this software. So you have custom cleaning. So if you want to clean applications themselves or your internet browsers or anything like that, you can do that on its own. It's kind of unnecessary because your health check does it anyways. Same with a driver update. If you're using a personal computer, like a laptop or anything, you won't have to do driver updates. They'll be done automatically. But if you're using a PC, I wouldn't suggest using it on here. We'll actually cover that in another video as well. The registry, you really don't want to be looking into that. The tools, same. And your options are anything that you can look into if you want to upgrade to Pro or just start a free trial for the other options here. So that has been the cleaning video. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.